Hello and welcome. My name is Brady Daniel. I'm going to be your professor for your Healthy Family Dynamics Online 1. Course code BIBM 2305 starting January 8th, concluding February 25th. And in this class, we are going to analyze, dissect, and unpack family dynamics and what makes them tick, what makes them healthy, and on the flip side of that, what makes them unhealthy. The course description communicates it like this. It's a course where the biblical examination of the family roles and their spiritual development within the family structure. And so that gives us a foundation, a set of lenses to look through and everything that we are going to look at through these 7 weeks. And so if you already familiarized yourself with the syllabus, you already know that there's two texts. One looks like this. This is where the vast majority of our information is going to be coming from. And there's 19 chapters. As you can tell, it's a very thick book. And week one, you have assigned chapters 1 through 4 because you have a quiz that's due Thursday by 11:59. And so that'll actually come from those 4 chapters. And so make sure you're reading ahead just to stay on track, because to read 19 chapters in 6 weeks is a heavy undertaking. But as well as that, we have this book called Saving Your Marriage Before It Starts. And in week 1, we won't actually be tackling this book, but we'll actually be starting this week 2, and you'll have chapter 1 and 2. And a lot of your discussion board will actually come from this book. But along with that, we have quizzes, you have midterms, things of that nature, which I've already talked about. So the course requirements, you have attendance, you have chapter readings. It talks about the reading project. That's probably going to be changed to a genogram. I just think that that'll actually work better, and it'll be a project that would serve you better by looking at your past generations and getting to see the connections and the ties and things of that nature. And I just think it would connect with what it is that we're studying overall. So I know that says reading project and presentation. That'll be changed to a genogram project. The amount of points will still be the same. So those projects will just shift and change. And so we have a midterm exam and a final exam. I'll send y'all a study guide so y'all know exactly what to prepare for, what to be expected for, and then the weekly discussions. There will be 3 that will be graded. You'll know ahead of time which ones of those are, but my heart is, whether you're being graded on the discussion board questions or not, is that you put forth the same effort and energy that you would put into all of them, regardless if you're being graded on them or not. And so you can actually scroll down and look at the syllabus and see each week in the breakdown. You can also see that on Blackboard under lessons. I actually took the course schedule and what's due that week, and you can actually see that actually posted in Blackboard. And so if there's questions on who I am, you can actually click on Blackboard and read more about that in the professor portion, getting to read about my qualifications. I know that you may be asking what insight, what anointing, what a credentialing does this individual have, and I think that is pertinent and a fair question to ask. So feel free to make your way to that section in Blackboard and familiarize yourself. And if you have further questions, let me know. I will designate Thursdays to be kind of a day to answer back questions, things of that nature. I'll be responding throughout the week as a whole, but if there's something that needs your attention, I'll definitely make sure that I have that answered by Thursday, because that's kind of the day that I'm going to be spending looking over Blackboard posts, things of that nature. I'll be sending y'all presentations. I'll be sending y'all notes. There'll be weeks where y'all won't get notes. Those weeks you'll be on your own of creating your own notes, things of that nature. You will be getting these video lectures from time to time. So of course, be looking on Blackboard, watching those. Week 1, I really am excited. I'll be talking a little bit about why we're studying the family. But Pastor Robert Morris of Gateway Church, a message that he did, I thought was outstanding. He always has outstanding messages on why we belong to family. And so I wanted you to listen to that as we start to build this foundation of looking at what is healthy family dynamics and what makes them tick and all those different things. So hopefully that lays that foundational measure and gives you all the different ins and outs as we move forward in this class. So I look forward to getting to communicate with you and chat with you on the discussion boards. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. All my contact information is on the syllabus and in Blackboard. Thank you so much. You have a great day. God bless.